Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you looking for a display box for your items? Would you like to have a way to organize your garden or home items? We have a Birdbath display box for you. We would like you to know about the display box Birdbath and Steak. This is the perfect fit for your bird bath. This elegant looking bird bath is constructed of wood and is filled with 6 inches foam for better stake stability that will not move easily. The finish is wood, which adds elegance. We would just like to remind you that this item doesn't come with any stake or bird bath. You will need to purchase those items separately. Here are its technical details. Dimensions are 24 by 12 by 8. It weighs 10 pounds. Now you can have the display box bird bath and steak today at a very affordable price. And see to it that you have an elegant looking display box for your bird bath. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.